Hello everyone, I just wanted to give you another quick tip that you can use when you're accessing any of our YouTube resources, whether it is a lesson that we have done as teachers or if it is a separate resource that we have chosen because it is very useful learning for our content. One of the great resources for our unit of inquiry is a channel called SciShow Kids. This is a great channel. It has lots of different resources that give short explanations of a variety of different content. So I do encourage you to let your child have a look through SciShow Kids, even subscribe, as their videos can be very useful. I do love to use these videos in class as well. And one of the things that I've noticed about this particular presenter is that she talks very fast. So what I like to do is actually use one of the features in YouTube to slow the rate of play to make it a little bit easier for everyone to understand. If you have your video playing and you access the menu at the bottom, the same place that you would access for adding your Russian subtitles, you can also change the playback speed. What I usually do is I take it from normal down to 0.75. This slows it down just enough that it makes it a lot more accessible for the kids and for you. I hope this is useful and that you can use this little trick whenever you find any of our YouTube resources a little bit difficult to understand. This should help you out. Bye for now.